Absolutely. All right, gentlemen, let's move straight to our next conversation. No one is above the law, and anyone who breaks it must face the consequences. In this regard, the Ebute Metta Magistrate Court 2 has ordered the remand of a chieftain of the National Union of Road Transport Workers, NURTW, Samsideen Oladiti, popularly called Shamelon, at the Ikoyi Correctional Center until the 28th of October. Samsideen, who stood before the court on a 3-count charge bordering on murder, conspiracy and grievous harm, is to remain in custody pending legal advice from the Director of Public Prosecutions. Samsideen had on the 17th of September 2025 attacked a dispatch rider, Imam Ramon, using a helmet and fists to inflict serious bodily injury during a confrontation on Takpa Street, Lagos Island, and caused the death of another on the 28th of August. BK, just like how you were stated, no one is above the law and you will face consequences.
No one. And Nigerians want to see how this person ends up. How can somebody, a non-state actor, be behaving like this? Look at a human being beaten like a ram. Even a ram is God's creation. You have no right to treat an animal in this manner. Look at how many people against one person. We are dealing with mad people. And until an example is made of one of these people, this kind of thing will not stop. How do you behave like this? They have no concern, maybe because of the terrible things that they drink and the kind of cult groups they belong to. They have no regard for human life. You can't beat a human being because he crashed the car. And he must have done it in error. Nobody will just willfully. It is their own members who willfully scratch people's cars.
Yeah, sure. That's just it. It's their own members.
How many times have they scratched my car? And when they scratch my car, you say, hey, Joe, their passengers will be begging you, so you don't even know what to do. You just leave the place. You break people's lights. Their drivers, they are not in position to pay for the light that they break. We allow them to go. And then somebody scratch Samsideen's car, and you believe that that person deserves to die. Because this kind of beating is meant to cause someone's death. These are pure mad people. We can't continue like this. Look at the other one who broke a bottle on a policeman's head.
What's going on in our society?
Somebody was screaming, Fuja, 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 the next thing, bow. They just gave it to the, broke a bottle on the policeman's head. We don't know how that one ended up, but I remember a deputy commissioner of police telling me that the guy fled to Benin Republic. Is he back now? Because you people couldn't lay your hands on him immediately. Maybe he's back and he's enjoying life, looking for who next to kill. Nobody. NURTW members, I don't know when they are going to even upgrade. I don't know when NURTW will upgrade to decent people. Because for so long, this group has been there. But when you talk about NURTW, people remember Togri. Is it not, and you see them wearing uniform. Uniform is supposed to be one big step towards reforming the individual, getting the individual to stay within the bounds of the law. If you are a student now, they put the uniform on you, you know that that imposes a sense of responsibility, no matter how young you are.
But I think they condemned this. Huh? They've actually condemn this.
No, I'm more concerned about the, do you think it's only Samsideen that has this kind of behavior? They may condemn it. I saw the statement by their Lagos chairman. Yes, I saw it, which was good, you know. But I'm saying that as a group, when are they going to go through character transplant to the point that we can see the NURTW person as a decent individual, as against boys who on the road they display animalistic tendencies? That's not what we want to see. It has reached that point that they should be telling themselves that, okay, look, this thing is not good for us. the way the society views us is not good. Let's begin to moderate our excessive behaviors. This is the thing. How can somebody beat? How do you beat a human being like this? How do you beat a human being like this? What was his offense? Because he scratched a car? Is a car a human being?
It's not.
What is in a car? When we leave this world, are we not going to leave the car behind?
Absolutely.
I've seen some cultures where the people bury people inside their cars. See, once the person dies, by my own reckoning, it's only his body that his soul is gone.
Absolutely.
So if you like bury a person with an aircraft, he's gone. He's gone. And nobody has been to that place to know whether they use aircraft there or whether they use a car.
But anyway, Dr.
So this kind of behavior must be condemned.
I mean, Dr. This cannot. But now that the court has now remanded, can we now say that justice will be served?
Well, justice will definitely be served. And the amazing thing is that some of the leaders of this group, they travel out and they see the culture elsewhere with drivers. It's not only in Nigeria that we have commercial drivers. They see the culture there. The way you are treated in buses outside of this country, it's like you are going into an aircraft. And I wonder where these people got this culture, because for me, driving is a noble profession. Somebody who is not mentally stable
cannot
is
drive.
not supposed to be driving.
Exactly.
But that's what we have in Nigeria. And I think that's, like BQ said, we should be working on the character of these fellows. And then one other thing, lesson to be drawn from this, is the fact that if you claim to be connected in the high places, they are now saying that those claims can let them down at any time. Because this guy came and he has done it in the past. This was something, this other one he did in the space of about 3 weeks. Two, the first one was what led to death. The second one, the guy we were told is still in the hospital till now. The guy was eating with the helmet. He's still in the hospital. And he's claiming he's connected, he knows the governor.
No, but the point is, even while the event was going on, the people around, they were helpless. They were just,
yes, of course.
I thought maybe they would interfere and condemn
the first
what was going on.
The first man that was beaten to death.
Yes.
He intervened on behalf of somebody. Not that he was the one, don't do this to this man, and then he turned on him and cost him his life. That's what happened. He wasn't the one who was involved in the initial fracas. The way you are beating this man, he's going to die. That was all. And then he turned on him. These people should know that claim to higher authorities will not save them again. Their chairman, Sego, was with the DSS.
Yes.
He was with the DSS for threatening people on behalf of a party that is already grounded in the state, APC. Who has sent you that? To go and be telling them if you don't vote for APC in 2027, you are going to die. Who sent you on that errand? Who? So they should realize now.
Who is even the big man who will be happy to associate with
these people,
with this kind of people?
So they should start flaunting people's names and behave in a way that even their own children will be proud of them. Yes. Because I can't have a man like this as a father. I would have poisoned him. Seriously.
But this is really sad. But right now,
but
right now, the victim's family, as long as justice is served,
they want justice. They don't want money. They say justice. And if you take him out, that whole area will become.
It will serve as a lesson.
It will serve as a lesson.
All right, gentlemen. All right, gentlemen. We need to take a breather right now. And when we return, the conversation continues. Don't go away. It's still Journalist Hangout.